Now, Fit Like a Fighter Club will be hosting their 8th staging of the Coliseum Martial Arts Amateur Fight Night at the Municipal Building in Portmore, St. Catherine for fighters in the program to showcase what they learned during practice. Denise
Head
Walters
coach at
reports.
Fit Like a Fighter Club, Dean Taylor, told the TVJ Sports before the fight, a yearly seminar is hosted for the different fighters to familiarize themselves on what to expect on the night.
This seminar is to give information about the different disciplines that will be displayed on the night. It gives the public a chance to get some information and insight on these different disciplines.
He says there's an added bonus to this fight night.
We know we are never normally having a lot of females participating in these type of events, but this time around we're going to have 2 female bouts being displayed, one a jiu-jitsu fight and one a boxing match.
Taylor says the revenue from the fight night will go back into helping persons in the club.
All proceeds go right back to Fit Like a Fighter to help with the continuation of the program, helping kids to learn discipline through mixed martial arts.
It is to be noted that the fight night has been ongoing for over 5 years.
We had some years where we had the Coliseum twice. We had some years that we had it once. We're now over 5 years and we're at the 8th staging. This one is one that will mark the efforts that we've been putting in and how far we're pushing to go to the...
Meanwhile, former judoka Denson White, CEO of the International Mixed Martial Arts Federation, IMMAF, is in Jamaica for the fight night and is pleased with the work being done to improve the sport at the grassroots level.
Proud of what's been achieved here in Jamaica so far. I think the federation has huge potential. I've seen some of the athletes, you can see behind me, practicing, who belong to this gym here. And they're young, so I think if they keep going, keep training as they are doing, they could have a bright future in the sport.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.